GK supplement. I am an emerging badminton player of India. People often misunderstand me with Sania Mirza. I was captain of Indian cricket team. I live in Ranchi city of Jharkhand. I was a fast full bowler of Indian cricket team few few decades ago. For many years, I had kept the record of highest wickets taker of India. I was opening batsman of India, having scored 34 Test century. Later, this record was broken by Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar. Story. Thank God. There was a giraffe who lived in a jungle. One day he was lurching his neck in a tree to find some fruit. As he thought, God is so rude to me. Why did he give me so long neck as I can't move it freely? Then he crawled out his long tongue to catch some fruit and thought, he has also given me such a long tongue which seems so ugly whenever I crawl it. With cursing to God, he started to eat his fruit. Suddenly he heard a voice coming out of tree. He moved his eyes all along. He saw a snake crawling towards a nest. It was a sparrow's nest, having some eggs. He knew the fact that snake was going to eat eggs. That's why he rode towards the snake. Snake gave him quick hiss. As snake approached towards the nest, giraffe's long tongue moved towards snake. Snake reached near the nest and watched few eggs in it. A feel of delightful food seemed in his eyes. As he began to pounce on eggs, foo! Suddenly, giraffe threw his long tongue towards him. Snake got imbalanced and fell off the tree. Giraffe licked the eggs lying in the nest and said, "Thank God, you have given me such a long neck and tongue by which I could be able to save these unborn babies." Vocabulary vitamins. Giraffe, an animal with long neck, lurching, finding his way. Rude, unkind, crawling, the walk like snake. Road, voice of giraffe, hiss, voice of snake, delightful, happy mood to see its food. Lick, to eat by tongue, as we lick our ice cream. Imbalance, to lose its balance. Discussion in question answer. How did giraffe blame his neck? How did giraffe blame his tongue? The nest belonged to which bird? How did giraffe thank God? Activity 1. Have you ever cursed God on something? Never do it, because someone has an ugly face but has a sweet voice. He may be a good singer. Someone is little lame but has capability to run on one leg. He may take part in a handicapped race and win some medals. In film Tare Zameen Par, a kid is having a problem of dyslexia, but he becomes a good artist. In film Iqbal, a boy is deaf and dumb, but he becomes a fast bowler. Whenever you see such person, do you help them? Activity 2. Ask your parent about this character and write a few lines on them and their names. Question. He was a blind man and father of Duryodhan. Give us answer. He was a tribal kid but a master of archery. He was a maternal uncle of Duryodhan. GK supplement. There are few animals who help us in different ways. In each row, there is a different animal from the others. There is a different animal from the others. Find out. These animals give us milk. These animals give us wool and silk. Find the odd out. These animals carry loads and people. These animals give us eggs.